Okay, we are back for the weekly language review for, technically we're in week 9, but this is the 8th week that we've done our language review. And we'll take a break. Well, no, we won't. I apologize. Just kidding. Scratch that. Here we go. Monday. Remember Monday, the very first box says the words that we're going to use for the remainder of the week. We have prevent, pre-approve, tricycle, preview, illegible, cycloid, illegal, and cycle. Some of these words we've seen before, and they are making a reappearance. Write the possessive noun. The fight for women's suffrage began before the Civil War. Suffrage meaning right to vote. And remember that didn't actually take place until 1920. So the fight for women's, apostrophe S, suffrage began before the Civil War. So Civil War took place in the 1860s, and women did not get the right to vote until 1920. Women were unable to vote until 1920. Oh, look at that. It says it right there. There are no commas, no conjunctions, no dependent clauses, no independent clauses. This is a nice, simple sentence. All right. Before the new park can be approved, the students must present a proposal to the principal. What does a proposal mean? The proposal means plan. Right? Before anything can be approved, you've got to show me your plan. Name the type of figurative language. We have idiom, again, which is a saying that we use that doesn't mean exactly what it says. It means something figurative. We have hyperbole, which is a total exaggeration. And then we have personification, which is when we assign characteristics of humans to non-human things. So you seem like you have a chip on your shoulder. Well, this is an idiom. And it says, what does the figurative language mean used above? Does it mean that I'm standing here? Well, we're going to draw me. See, this is totally me, right? Doesn't it look like me? And I have a literal potato chip. I like Doritos, so I'm going to draw a diagonal potato chip there on my shoulder. No, it doesn't mean that at all. It means kind of, you seem like you have a chip on your shoulder. You seem like you're angry. So that is what it means to have a chip on your shoulder. You're angry about something, and it's affecting everything. And you kind of just walk around angry all the time. And then write the meaning of the suffix meant. And when we talk about the suffix meant, we are talking about anything like judgment. We are talking about argument. Those are all words that use the suffix meant. When I'm sure, of course, I just realized that usually the next day it asks you to provide a word with meant. But it just means kind of the means or result of. It also changes a noun to an adjective, or a verb to an adjective. So in this case, we're going to say it is the means or a result of something. It turns a verb into a noun. So to argue is to be doing something. You're arguing. To have an argument, that becomes a noun. To judge someone or something is a verb. It's an action. To judgment is a noun. So be thinking about some other meant words for tomorrow's stuff. See you guys tomorrow.